In this video, we will see computer network 2 problems. So first problem is to create 6 PCs with 3 different plans and using a common signal switch perform communication from one PC to another PC within another LAN. So for that, case 1. So we create a IP address and the gateway. So we pass the data through the gateway. So for that we will create a LAN and connect the, so for this there is the one switch. So according to the switch you create a gateway called 1, and here we have the 20.2 and 20.1 and 30.1. The same way IP address also differ from the PCs, but gateway is for both computers. There is a one gateway. So we have the switch. If we create a message to V1 to PC0 to PC1 means in simulation it runs perfectly. It go to switch, then switch to the PC1. It take little bit time, kindly wait sometimes. Then PC1 to the switch, then switch 1 to the PC0. So the message will be received successfully. So it shows the tick symbol. So now I delete this scenario. If I get the PC0 to the PC3, now I run this, it goes to the switch 1 and switch 1 to PC3 is, because it comes for PC3, so it doesn't give to PC1. So that data stored in PC1 is not shared. 1 minute. So if we give PC0 to PC1 means it go to this side. The data doesn't receive. If we give PC2 to PC3 means it works successfully. So according to the gateway only the data can be passed, otherwise the data cannot be passed. Sorry. So here too. So PC2 to PC3. Now PC2 to PC3. Now I run this code. So go to switch 1, then switch to PC3, then PC3 to again switch. Then the PC2, the message received successfully. So it shows the tick symbol. So in the same way we have another question called to create 8 PC with 4 different LANs. Here 6 PC with 3 different LAN. Here 8 PC with 4 different LAN. So 2 switches and with 1 router. So for that so there are 8 PCs. So 4 gateways, 2 switches. So for here, if I give here to here also it works, because the data is shared through, according to this it becomes wrong, because it will be transmitted through only the gateway. It cannot transmit through the other gateways. So if I give gateway PC0 to PC1 means it runs perfectly. On the same way, if I give the PC2 and PC3 or PC7 and 6 and PC5 to 4, it works perfectly. If I change the gateway, it won't work, because according to the gateway only the data can be passed. So it returns to the PC0, it returns tick symbol. That's fine. Okay. Now we can solve the problems, both problems. Thanks for watching.